Hello to everyone. What I have to here today is the Bluelab pH pen, and what we will do together today is the first. What you have to do when you buy this Bluelab pen and when you unbox this Bluelab pen, you can find inside the box this free small boxes for calibration. So this is for calibration pH 4, for pH 7, and what we need is this pH probe KCI storage solution. If we check the information in the boxes, you can see that hydrate. So before first use, open the KCI storage solution sachet, remove cap from pH pen and place probe tip in solution sachet, leave for 24 hours. Calibrate to 2 pH points using the instruction below. So what we have to do now is open the cover, open this cover, and right here you can see this place for this KCI storage solution. So we need to drop some this probe inside here and keep it for 24 hours. So let's do it together. So let's do it together. I can do it like this. I can open it. Okay. And input inside. Okay, it's there. And now I think that a lot of this is there, but no, never mind. Close, and now we have to waiting 24 hours. I think that I need some box, because you can see that it's going down, so I need some glass or something. I'm going to find something. So now we are waiting 24 hours, and then we will make a calibration with this 1 and 2 calibration solution. See you in 24 hours.